Hi everyone, this is Maths with Adam. Next episode, multiples and factors. This will be the new area, so we still work with the numbers. We can find, of course, it's mathematics, so we will work with numbers. We can find a multiple of a number if we multiply the number by a positive integer. Example: first three multiple of the 15. It's 15, 30, and 45, and we write like this. If you 15 times 1 equal 15, 50 times 2, 15 times 3, 4, 5, 6. There is infinite multiple of number. And how can we write this? It's m15 equal 15, 30, 45, etc., etc. Also, we can take the question, is the 165 a multiple of the 15? Or any number a multiple of another number? If we can divide this 165 by the 15, then yes, we can check it. We can use the calculator. Also, we can just divide, or we can use the Bastap method. I use the Hungarian method. To me, it's easier. I also know the Bastap method. If you think, I will show you later how can we use the Hungarian method. So yes, the 165 is a multiple of the 15, because 11 times 15 is 165. 65, sorry. Okay, a little practice. This is the first 5 multiple of the following numbers. Multiple of the 9 is 1 times 9, 2 times 9, 3 times 9, 4 times 9, and 5 times 9. Also, there is more. So basically, the multiplication table. Multiple of the 11s, 11 times 1, 11 times 2, 3, 4, and 5. Multiple of the 100, 100 times 1, 100 times 2, 3, 4, and 5. And the last one, multiple of the 25. 25 times 1, 25 times 2, 25 times 3, and 4, and 5. Not so hard. The lowest common multiple. The lowest common multiple of 2 or more numbers, the smallest number that is a multiple of all the given number, or the smallest number that we can divide by the given numbers. Also, we can say, and it's a little plus information here, the 0 will be not a common multiple. Okay, the multiple, if we multiply the number by a positive integer, sorry, it's number, yep, okay, positive integer, the 0, it's not positive or negative. The lowest common multiple. Okay, smallest number that we can divide by the given numbers. I prefer this rule. Same like this, it's both of them perfect. But I really like this because if we search the if we add the fraction and we search the new denominator, I prefer use this this rule. We search a number what we can divide by the two or 3 or 5 or the given denominators. Example, find the lowest common multiple of the 5 and the 8. So I started write the multiple of the 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, blah, 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 and the 8. And the first number that will be the common number, it will be the lowest common multiple. LCM equal 40. A little practice. Still with this method, later we'll talk about the prime numbers and the factor tree, so prime factor tree, and we will check how can we search the lowest common multiple and also the highest common factor. So I will start with the 3 and the 10. Multiple of the 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27 and 30, 33. Multiple of the 10, it's equal 10, 20 and 30, and will be the I will just write here because I don't have too much place. Those can multiple the 30. Next one, 3 and 15. I will not write again the multiple of the 3, it's here. So the multiple of the 15, 30, 45, 60, etc., etc. It will be the 15. So a number can be the lowest common multiply. Okay, again, sorry. So if we have two numbers, the exact number can be also the lowest common multiply, because this is the smallest number what we can divide by 15. So a number is the lowest number that we can divide by itself. Okay, so this is how it will work. So the lowest common multiple is 15. So I will just write like this. Because then you can ask, where did I get the so like this, okay, from here. It is okay. And the 6 and the 11, the next one, multiple of the 6. I will start with the 6. It's 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54. I will make a little place. Like this. 60, 66, 72. Okay. And the multiple of the 11. It's 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, you already found it, 77. So the lowest common multiple here will be the 66. There is infinite lowest common multiple. Okay, just one lowest common multiple, sorry, but common multiple, there are infinite. Lowest common multiple is the lowest from these infinite numbers. Factors. Factor is a number that divides another number without remainder. Okay, here is an example. 3 is a factor of 12 because 12 divided by 3 equals 4. Or 12 over 3 equals 4. Little plus information. The division sign also equal with the fraction line. 1 is a factor of every number. The largest factor of any number is the number itself. This is what I just said here somewhere. Okay. Find the factor of the following numbers: 12 and 25. So the factor of the, this is how we sign it. Okay, so factor of a number, and the 12, this is the easiest method to find the factor. 12 equal 1 times 12, 2 times 6, 3 times 4, and 4 times 3, and from here I just repeat the 5 times nothing, 6 times 2, and 7 times nothing, 8 times nothing, blah blah blah, 12 times 1. Okay, so from here I just repeat everything. So when I start change the 2 number on the right side, I will not continue the writing because I just found everything. How long do you need to write this or try the number? The square root of a number. Okay, this will be the line, square root of a number. So 55 equal 1 times 25 equal 1 times 25 and 5 times 5. You can see sometimes I just use this method. I don't write everywhere the 25. And the factor of the 25 equal 1, 5, and 25. I list every number just once. And you can see they are in pairs, like this. Okay. List the factors of the following numbers. Factor of the 40. So I will just work here. 40 equal 1 times 40, 2 times 20, 3 times nothing, 4 times 10, 5 times 8, 6 times nothing, 7 times nothing, 8 times 5. So here is the border basically. And I will just write 1. And yes, if I write down the number, I following this basically anti-clockwise way. So I just write the 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 12, and 40. Same with the 55. Okay, I will just clean this and I will work here. Do I have enough place? No, I don't have. So I will work here. Next time I will leave more place. Also, yes, I didn't say this. This is a practice to me too. That's how can I teach the English math. Okay. So this is why I just. This is also why I just started this channel. 55. 2. I cannot divide by 2 or 3 or 4, but I can divide by the 5. 11. 6 no, 7 no, 8 no, 9 no, 10 no, 11 again. So it has just 4 factors. 1, 5, 11, and 55. Every number has minimum 2 factors, okay? Except the 1, because it has just 1. And the 0, it has nothing. Because we cannot divide by 0. Okay, true or false? 3 is a factor of the 300. Sorry, I forgot the 13. This is a prime number. So 13 equal 1 times 13. Okay, a number is a prime factor, a prime number, sorry, if it has just two factor, 1 and itself. The lowest prime number is the 2. We will talk about it the next video. So 1 and 13. Okay, true or false? 3 is a factor of the 313. True or false? Basically, this is the rule of the how can we divide by the 3. This is the question basically. We can divide 3 and the 9 if we add the numbers in the digits in a number, and if I can divide this sum by the 3 and the 9, then we can divide the whole number. So 3 plus 1 plus 3, it's equal 7. The 7, I cannot divide the 7 by the 3 because there is a remainder 1. So I cannot divide also the 330. So it will be false. 2 is a factor of the 1259. I can divide a number by the 2 if it's an even number. So if the last digit 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. Okay? So it's an odd number because it's 9. So I cannot divide by 2, so it's false. 210 is a factor of the 210. Yes, because 210, sorry, again, 210 equal 1 times 210. So it's a factor. Because a factor, number will be factor to itself. 9 is a factor of the 126. I again will just add the digits. So 1 plus 2 plus 6. It's 9. I can divide the 9 by the 9, so it's will be true. Because the 9 will be a factor of the 126. Highest common factor. The highest common factor of two or more number is the highest number that is a factor of other given number. Okay? So find the highest common factor of 12 and 18. So we will search the highest number that can divide the given numbers. Basically, this is the rule. How can we search it? We just write the factor of the numbers. Factor, 12 and 18. Factor of 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Factor of the 18, 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. And you can see I just signed the common factors, and the highest common factor will be the 6, because the 6 is the highest number that can divide the 12 and the 18. Okay, a little practice. Find the highest common factor of the following numbers: 24 and 16. So factors of 24 equal, we will search the factors. 1 times 24, 2 times 12, 3 times 8, 4 times 6, 5 times nothing, 6 times 4. So here will be the border. And also we will search the factor of the 16. 1 times 16 to, okay, everywhere you can put the equal sign, equation sign, but it's fine. Right now it's times 6, 3 times nothing, 4 times 4. So factor of the 24, it's 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 6, 8, 12, and the 24. Factor of the, factor of the 16. I didn't want to show the next question because I want to focus on just one question at the same time. Sorry, 16. 1, 2, 4, 6, 12. 1, 2, 4. 2 times 6. No. Sorry. 16. And I will not cut the videos. I will be honest, I'm really happy if you can see if I make mistakes, because we are people, we are not machines. Also the machines can do mistakes. So 2 times 8. But if you make mistakes, it's not a problem, because if you realize this mistake, you can learn from these mistakes. Okay, 4 times 4, 2 times 8, and 1 times 6. 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. And these are the common factors, and the 4 is the highest common factor, because this is the highest number that can divide the 24 and the 16. Okay, factors of the 15 and the factors of the 40. The highest common factor will be the 5. Also, highest common factor, sorry, it's the 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and this will be the last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, no, 7, no, 8, 9, 10, and I will just search the pairs of this number. So it will be 10, it will be 20. It's also a good method if you don't want to write everything like this, and it will be the 40. Because here I just realized that it's also a good method. Okay, so I will be honest, I didn't plan to solve like this, but I didn't have too much place. So the highest common factor here is the 5. Okay, it's good. Yes, and so I just realized if 5 times 8 it's 40, then 8 times 5 it will be also 40. So I just leave the border, but I didn't write like this here. So I just had the first half of the numbers, but I knew that if I turn back, then there is just the other half of these numbers. Okay, what is the highest common factor of two different prime number? So the two different prime number, there is only just one common factor of the prime numbers, the 1. Okay, because every prime number is 1 times 2, 1 times 3, 1 times 5, etc., etc. Okay, this is the 2, this is the 3, this is the 5. It's mean the common part is just the 1. And any other number need to be different, because if it's not different, then they are not prime factors. Okay, so this is why the only and highest common factor of the prime numbers is the 1. Okay, and here is a little real life problem. We have 7 meter and 42 meter long rope. We want to cut into equal length pieces. What is the longest equal size of these pieces? Okay, so we have 2 rope and we want to cut them into equal pieces. One rope is 7 meter and the other is 42 meter. The solution, we will search the highest common factor. Okay, because this will be the highest length what we can cut from the rope. Okay, so factor of the 70, it's, I will use the same method. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so 7 times 5 times 14. Yes, 2 times 30. 5 and 1 times 70. And the factor of the 42, again, I just leave the border, so I just made the pairs in my head. If you need, write down, use the calculator, but you can use the other method, when you just write 70 equal 1 times 70, 2 times 35, and just the anti-clockwise way. You just copy the numbers. Okay, so the 42, it's 1, 2, 3, because 4 and 2, if I add them, it's 6. 6 divided by 3, it's 2, so I can divide the 42 by the 3. 4, no, 5, no, 6, and 7. And from here, I will just write the missing numbers. Yes, 21 and 42. So the highest common factor of these two numbers is the 7. So this will be the length of each piece. So here from this I will cut 10 equal part, and from this I will cut 6 equal part. So if I add these two, then I have 16 equal piece of rope. Okay, I know the the problem didn't ask this, but we just solved it. Okay, yeah, this was the last question. So I will work like this. I will write everything by hand. I hope you will like this. I think it's readable, but my handwriting will be better and better, I swear. I will practice. And yeah, next time we will continue with the prime numbers and the highest common factor and the lowest common multiple. So see you in the next video, next episode. Bye. Have a nice day.